Hey, this is Rama from Creational Landscape Designs on the Airplane Landscapes blog. So I'm at a place called Orange County Succulents California Greenhouse that sells lots of succulents and a shit ton of indoor plants. And what I'm here to do is I have this planter with a dead plant in it that needs to be replaced. So I thought I'd kind of show you around and show you what I'm going to do. But before I do that, I make videos about drought tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. All right, let's do this. Okay, so this is the outside part of their area. If you look far in the distance, I'm gonna zoom in here. They have all kinds of varying sizes, shapes, and colors of pottery if you ever want pottery. This place is off of Warner Avenue by the district. Alright, so here they have all kinds of varying array of succulents. And lots of new arrivals of pottery, it looks like. And more cacti here. These are ones that I wouldn't touch with a 10-foot pole because they're very sharp. And then this is the inside. In this area they have a bunch of pots. Ooh, they have cool new pots that I'm liking, but I'm not going to buy because I don't need any pots. Look at these. String of hearts. They seem to be very well stocked. Wow. I'm impressed. That's the one I was eyeing, so. But I don't need it. I've got enough pots and plants. Oh, wow. Here they have a lot of their, look at these pothos. Oof. Oh my goodness. I could literally get lost in here. If you want indoor plants, OC Succulents, California Greenhouse is the place to be. So these are their 18-inch and 1-gallon plants, which is too big for my pot, but I just wanted to show you. These are for sure new because I was here last month and they didn't have these. Wow. I'm sure they're not. Alright, there's a price tag for you. Now that's obviously retail, but still. Okay, so we're gonna get to the area that relates to me. So these are their 4-inch pots. I don't know what plant I want to put in here, really. Can't decide. I mean, I'm thinking actually. Oh, look at these fiddle leaf fig. Ho ho ho. Anyway. What if... I mean, this would be interesting in my pot. I'm actually highly tempted to do that, but we'll see. I want to look at everything they have. Look at this. This is so cool. Look at that coloration. That's insane. Or this. That would be interesting, but I want something kind of tall. Or fish. I mean, I could do this. It just wouldn't get that big. Look at all these string of hearts. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm actually tempted to either do one of these, totally thinking that it might be a little too slightly big for the pop, or this. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna pause here and kind of look a little more, and then I'll come back once I've figured it out. Okay, so I ended up picking this plant, and I forgot the name of it. I'll put it in the description if I can remember. I just really liked the different tones of the leaf. And then one thing they have here at OC Succulents, also they have 4-inch succulents here, but they have a potting bench that you can use to pot up your pots and whatnot. Can I ask you a question, sir? I forgot. What's the name of this?
It's a Tenanthe, so C-T-E-N, Luberciana.
Ah, thank you. What he said. Alright, hopefully you can see me. I'm resting this cell phone on a pile of rocks. So I took out what was in there. I am saving the moss because I can just reuse it. And then I've got this, and I'm basically going to massage this so it comes out. And then just, oh, hold on. Take out some of the soil here, and you're just gonna push it in. Now we do need to add some soil to this, which what's fallen on the bench can be reused. There we go. Hopefully you can see, there it is. And then I'm going to take this moss and just kind of cover the top of it. Alright. And there it is. Yay! This is going to go in my kitchen. I'll show you once I get home where it's going. I saw so many other plants that I want, but I'm going to restrict myself for now to only this because I could literally go broke here. Anyway, I'll put a link to the OC Succulents California Greenhouse website in the description in case you want to come here. Really, really, really great place to get indoor plants and some succulents and whatnot. Alright, so I'm back home, and this is where I have placed the young lady pot. There it is, next to a picture and some other plants and cookbooks and whatnot. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen.